subscribers. I'm here to chat to you a little bit about the Dometic fridge. It's 55 litre. Recently made the plunge to go with the fridge over the eskies. Just sick of the ice melting on the first or second day. So if you want to come a bit closer, here it is here sitting in the back of the truck. Now it's a nice, good size. So maybe you want to open that up. Let's have a little bit of a look in. So you can see it's got these nice dividers that I really like. It's nicely well lit. You've got the salami, you've got the cheese, bacon, cream, yogurt. It's working really well. So 55 litre, great size, nice quality handles. It's actually quite easy to move around. And the setup we've got to feed it. So we've got the power pack here, the 40 amp thing there. Now this is actually, it was fully charged when we got here, and actually without no more solar input ran for 48 hours for the fridge. So it seemed to tell us that it's 1 amp an hour or less, which is fantastic for a fridge at 4 degrees. I think we're at 44 degrees. You can tell by the little screen here. That's 4 degrees right now. Really nice and easy to operate through the controls. So then off this thing, obviously beyond the fridge, this is going to charge all your phones and speakers and whatever else you need. I think we got that. So using the solar blanket, which comes into it. The solar blanket with some good sun makes sure you got to charge by about 12:30 from about 40% or something. So like at one full day's sun, if you move it around, get the sun, I think you probably get it to about 100%. We've sort of obsessed over that for a bit, watching the percentage.
Come on, Allie, go up here where you belong.
So yeah, solar blanket plus the power pack. Dometic fridge. So I just obviously recommend just keeping it in the shade. And I think that's going to, rather than 3 eskies and 2 bags of ice and half-hour trips to the nearest town, I think it's a bit of a winner. What do you reckon, mate?
Yep.
So catch your fish can stay fresh in there too. And yeah, we're really happy with it. So along the old June 65 litre leak fest.